Hello, I'm David from Sealy International, and today we're going to take you through some operational tips to allow you to get the best out of your Sealy International heating and cooling products. Now we're going to look at the features and functions of the MagIQtouch wall controller by Sealy International. The MagIQtouch wall controller can connect to the full range of Sealy International heating and cooling products, including Breezair, Braemar and Coolair. To install the Sealy Wi-Fi, we first need to download the app. We need to go to the App Store and select the MagIQtouch Sealy International app and download it. You can now open the app, so that'll bring you to a new screen. Now, in this case, because we haven't set up an account yet, we need to create an account. This will then ask you your details. Now we've entered all the account information to set up your MagIQtouch account, we select Create Account. You'll now get a confirmation code sent to your email, which we need to enter on this screen. The confirmation code we received was 339760, so we've entered this into the screen here and we hit Submit. Now it says your account has been activated, select Continue. We've now entered the confirmation code and hit Continue, and we now come up with this screen where we're required to go to the MagIQtouch wall controller and enter our account details before coming back to the app and pressing Continue. To continue the setup, we need to go to the MagIQtouch wall controller and we go Settings, page down until we see the menu that says Wi-Fi Smart App Setup. And it currently says disconnected, so we push the arrow next to that and it will now scan for the available Wi-Fi networks in your home. Once it's found the Wi-Fi networks, you need to select the one that you're going to be using. In our case, it's Sealy iPhone Tester, so we select that, where it'll ask you for the Wi-Fi password, which is capital S and then lowercase e-e-l-e-y. And 1, 2, 3 and hit Continue. As you can see, we've now connected to the Wi-Fi network and we need to push Continue. You can now use the MagIQtouch Wi-Fi Smart App on your phone or mobile device. So we hit Continue. As you can see, we've now completed the Wi-Fi connection and it's connected to the Sealy iPhone Wi-Fi access point. We now need to enter our app account details. Now we've entered our Wi-Fi details, we come up with the next screen, which is connecting to your MagIQtouch account. So on here we push Continue and we need to enter the email password that we used to create our MagIQtouch account, which was sealymarketing@sealyinternational.com. We now need to enter the password that we created for our MagIQtouch account, which is Sealy with a capital S. Right, as you can see, we've now connected to the Wi-Fi to the MagIQtouch. We need to push Continue, and we also need to go to our phone and select Continue to complete the process. We're now all connected, so we just enter details like our location, which is Australia. And we type in our address, location. We've now entered the address and it populates all the fields and we hit Save. In this case, because it's there's been an update, the system will now enter update mode. Once the system has finished upgrading, you'll see the following screen on the app, which just shows the room temperature and the on-off button. Please note that not all systems will go into system update and you may go straight to this screen. To operate the app, we push the on button, you'll see the display come on and you can set your temperature. You also note at the bottom of the screen, there'll be a red bar indicating the phone app is updating the wall controller. You can now see that the wall controller has updated to be the same as the app screen, 22 degrees and on. Now you've completed the Wi-Fi installation process and you're ready to use your MagIQtouch wall controller along with your Wi-Fi app to control your connected appliances.